Introduction to the Chime Card Credit Builder. The Chime Card Credit Builder is a financial tool designed to help individuals build or improve their credit scores. It is a secured credit card that allows users to make purchases and pay bills while establishing a positive credit history. Getting started with the Chime Card Credit Builder. To get started, users must apply for the Chime Card Credit Builder through the Chime mobile app or website. The application process is straightforward and typically requires basic personal and financial information. Once approved, users will need to make a security deposit, which will serve as their credit limit. Using the Chime Card Credit Builder. The Chime Card Credit Builder can be used to make purchases online, in-store, or through mobile payment methods. It is essential to make regular payments to demonstrate responsible credit behavior. Chime reports payment activity to the major credit bureaus, which helps to build or improve credit scores over time. Managing payments and credit limits. Users can manage their Chime Card Credit Builder account through the Chime mobile app. The app allows users to track their spending, make payments, and monitor their credit limit. It is crucial to keep credit utilization below 30% to avoid negatively impacting credit scores. Best practices for building credit. To get the most out of the Chime Card Credit Builder, users should make on-time payments, keep credit utilization low, and monitor their credit report regularly. It is also essential to avoid applying for multiple credit cards in a short period, as this can negatively impact credit scores. Conclusion. The Chime Card Credit Builder is a valuable tool for individuals looking to build or improve their credit scores. By following the steps outlined in this guide and practicing responsible credit behavior, users can establish a positive credit history and improve their financial stability.